Hey, this is Zach Hauser with Vision Engraving and Routing Systems, and today I'm going to be working on the new VE810 S5 with V-Touch technology. So the first thing you're going to notice is the new touchscreen. With this, you're going to be able to control the machine, do things like jog the spindle into different positions, go to the home location, and also you're going to have access to all the other machine settings. Another awesome feature, which is the machine itself has an internal memory. This means you can save the job to the machine, and then you can recall that job and run it without the need of a computer. To demo this new feature, I'm going to be making a Made in the USA keychain. The job's already been set up, it's been sent to the machine and saved to the internal memory. So all I'm going to have to do is go recall the job, and then I'm ready to start it. So now that it's done engraving, I'm just going to swap tools and then I'm going to be able to run the other cut file.